You look killer.
You're not so bad yourself.
Mwah.
Aw, come here. Mwah. That was intense.
Aww, he's my man. Whoa! Ugh, he can't stop looking at her. Better sit down for the show. Hey.
She's gonna show you,
How it's done.
milady.
I can't believe this is really happening to me. He went to her just like that.
If she takes my boyfriend, I'll take her identity. Fly, little ones. Surprise, surprise. Ah! What are those? You can't get away with this. Watch me. You're under my control. I am.
Huh? Where did she go? Have you seen her?
She went that way. Let's go! We're coming, Mira! But Mira's coming with me. Time to… Ouch! Watch where you're going!
Huh?
Is that… what?
Give my friend back.
Or else, you'll do nothing. You'll forget everything you saw in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, hello. Let's be besties.
Fine, but only if you help me look like this doll.
You got it. Makeover time.
Whoa!
Welcome to my room.
It's spacious.
Wow, you have lovely hair. Shh. Hey, relax. You know I need to dye your hair, right? Trust me. Sit back and enjoy the transformation. Don't worry, I know what I'm doing.
I hope so.
This will be fun! Freestyle hair coloring is the best. Not a single blonde hair strand will be left. And done!
Wow, good job!
Aw, thanks! Next, styling. With this.
How's that gonna work?
Let me show you. It's like the best hair hack ever! You're welcome.
Genius!
Freeze!
Huh? What are you doing?
Oh, come on, girl. It's only a braiding tool. It won't hurt. See? This is so satisfying to watch. Hunter braids? Check. So, what do you think?
I think you're nailing this!
Yay! What are besties for? Oh, someone's at the door. Hello?
Happy birthday!
Aw, come in, you guys.
Oops.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Sorry.
We'll do this another time. Are you okay?
What do you think?
Let's wipe that off.
I'd punish her if she did it on purpose.
Then good thing she didn't. And hey, this is an opportunity to do your makeup. Heels, nails, blade, mascara. These shades are in your color season. Wow, you look gorgeous.
Thanks, and I feel gorgeous.
Huh. Nope. The fangs need to go.
No?
I won't take no for an answer.
Oh, whoa, feels so smooth.
Told ya.
I'll listen to whatever you say.
Then we can continue with #fashion. Nothing catches my eye so far.
Transformation selfie!
Not this.
Whoa! Help!
Huh? What was that? Are you all right? Oof, that must have hurt.
Ah!
Oh, perfect! This means snack time.
Huh? What the? Whoa, good idea. Yum.
Yep.
Bon appetit.
Oh, must be the delivery. I'll get the door. Thank you. Our clothing orders arrived.
Wow, so fast. I'll try them on.
Hope they fit.
So,
Nah.
how about this?
Wow. Or never mind.
I feel so strong.
What? No way!
This is it.
Agreed.
Clothes? Check. Phew! Great work, team.
Yeah.
A quick double check. Whoa! My skirt doesn't match!
Give me 1 second to fix that. Let's see. There must be an orange skirt somewhere here.
Let's hope so.
Aha! This will do the trick.
Are you sure about that?
Oh, you're right. But wait! We can turn it into a skirt! Using my tools for a good cause.
Awesome! You're really crafty. And it's just my size! Wow! I want one too! So pretty!
Yeah, you need one to be a hunter.
Huh? Do you knit?
No. Oh, but I craft! Looks like your wish is granted!
Wow! How did you…
Call it talent.
I know what it needs.
Good thinking. I'll quickly attach it, and done. Your hunter charm is ready.
Yay! The dress is complete!
We're nailing this, girl.
All thanks to you. Ouch!
Sorry, my bad. Wait a second. You don't have the right shoes. Let's take care of that. Come on, step inside the first box.
I don't know what to expect. Wow! Cool magic trick! Oh, so cute and comfy. Can I keep them on?
Unfortunately, no.
Wow! Princess heels! So chic and fancy. Whoa! But I can't walk in these? What do you think? Please agree?
You look so uncomfortable.
Glad we are on the same page. Wow! I think this is it. I feel so confident and strong in these.
Yes, slay. You look gorgeous.
Oh, I'm so happy.
If there's food, I will never not eat it. Freshly popped. Haha.
I want some. Buttery. What? Oh, I have no jewelry.
You called me? I got what you need.
Wow, so many.
Not so fast. See those targets? You need to prove your hunter skills first.
Ah.
That's so easy. Here, take these.
Yeah, speak for yourself.
You got this.
Come on, please. Ha! Did you see that? Yeah!
Bravo. Here's the second one.
I can do this. Yeah! Will it hit? Huh, it did! I'm the best.
Good job.
Oh, the last one. The moment of truth. I can't fail. And I didn't. Yeah!
Here's your reward as promised. My work is done.
Bye!
Come on, let's check them out.
So edgy. Can't do without a necklace. More is more.
Perfect. Well, there's one last thing to do. Hope you're ready for this. Sing! We're going up, up, up. It's our moment. Come on, your part is coming. You know, together, we're glowing.
Gonna be golden. That was so fun!
Smiley! One more. And post it for our fans.
So many likes!
Fans never disappoint.
I owe you for this. I got you a thank you gift! Aww.
What is… Whoa, great gift.
Oh. Not the real action begins. Time to get out of here. Bye! I'm here, and I'm looking better than ever. Hey, handsome. Mwah!
Hey, gorgeous.
Oh, what? Where? Mira?
Finally, I'm back. That little.
I know where she went. You!
Uh-oh.
You can't fool anyone.
I'm seeing doubles.
Oh no, I'm in trouble. She's a fake. Pick me! I'm the real deal. No, me! You wouldn't dare.
That's enough! This will reveal the truth.